Hello everyone. Now the linear equations in one variable exercise 3.2 question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, 50 and 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2 is to 3 is to 5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination she has? So what is given in the particular question? Lakshmi is having rupees 100 currency notes of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 and it is in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5. मतलब अगर 100 के notes हैं तो that will be 2, 50 it will be 3 and for 10 it will be 5. And if you are doubling that, so 2 to it will be 4. For अगर 100 के 4 हैं then 50 will be 6 and 10 will be 10 notes. Like that it will be given in the ratio and total she is having the cash as 4 lakh rupees. So for 4 lakh rupees, for rupees 100 how many notes are there, for rupees 50 how many notes and for rupees 10 how many notes are there, that we need to find. Denomination is nothing but group. रुपीज़ 100 के ग्रुप में कितने नोट्स रहेंगे, रुपीज़ 50 के जो बंडल है उसमें 50 के कितने नोट्स रहेंगे, दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड हियर. So let us start with the solution. Here it is given 2 is to 3 is to 5. So let the number of notes of rupees 100. So 100 rupee notes are nothing but 2x. Number of notes of rupees 50. 100 का 2x, 50 का it will be 3x and the number of notes of rupees 10 will be 5x. Now according to the question how we can frame the equation, together all the three notes it is forming the sum as equals to 4 lakh. So we will write according to the question 100 के कितने हैं 2x, so it will be 100 into 2x plus 50 it is 3x and for 10 it is 5x and totally it is having 4 lakh rupees. So like this it will be the equation. 10 into 2x मतलब 2x notes हैं तो 100 के अगर आपके पास 100 के 2 notes हैं तो 100 to it will be 200. The same way we are taking with the variable x here. 100 into 2 200x, 50 into 3 150x and 10 into 5 will be 50x is equals to 4 lakhs. Now we have to add 200, 150 and 50. So if we'll add here 200, 350, 400. 400x is equals to 4 lakhs. Then x will be equals to this 400 when we are shifting, it goes to the denominator. And upside 2 zeros, the denominator's 2 zeros gets cancelled. So it will be 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 zeros are 4 zeros and 4 zeros are. So the x value will become here as 1000. Then therefore the number of rupees 100 notes, तो 100 के कितने notes होंगे, it is 2x मतलब 2 into 1000. So उसके पास 2000 notes हैं जो 200 के हैं. Then the number of rupees 50 notes, 50 के कितने notes रहेंगे उसके पास, that Lakshmi will have 3 into, it is 3x मतलब 3 into 1000. So 50 के in that bundle of 50 she will have 3000 notes. Then the number of rupees 10 notes, rupees 10 के कितने notes होंगे, it is we have taken at the beginning as 5x, so it will be here 5x मतलब 5 into 1000 and 5 into 1000 is nothing but 5000. So she is having, Lakshmi is having 2000 notes of 100 rupees, 3000 notes of 50 rupees and 5000 notes of 10 rupees. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.